tell you something. The principal called me. When this incident happened, until we brought this boy, the boy, nobody called us. The principal did not call. The house did not call. We were the one that called. It's only one teacher. It's just one teacher. I don't know the name of the teacher. It was the only person who called just to check up on the boy. Even it's just two teachers, nobody called. Nobody called. As I'm speaking to you, up to today, the owner of the school has not even called. Has not called. The only time the principal called me was to say, why did I send those pictures when it was passing through pain? Why did I send those pictures to the public? That the boy is a very handsome boy. Those pictures, anybody that sees those pictures will be scared of. Even herself was even scared of opening those pictures. I told her, Madam.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Papa Sylvester. Papa Sylvester don't cry come out again, so the thing really dey painful. Like the man was crying, say since when the pikin say they sick, say the school people, the principal, he no even call am. He say only the call wey dey call am be say why Papa Sylvester go dey talk say na people na cultists for their school na he beat the pikin. He say why Papa Sylvester go dey talk like that. He say make it tell the whole world say na football na he make e pikin sick, na he make e body come dey like that. Say they play ball meet am, whereas na lie, no be ball. So now the man come say if na football na him make e pikin be like this, na be say footballers dem they are in trouble then. Why e be say footballers dem upon us say that they play ball meet dem, the thing no dey affect them? Why e come be say e pikin football come just affect am, come affect all e body, e mouth, come dey make e mouth dey peel? Hey, na there I come tire say people wey dey get their children for that school, they are in trouble. Because how can the principal go dey lie? Principal go see dey lie wey with the whole world see wetin really happen. Principal say dey cover up for those children. I even hear say the people wey do this thing, their papa get money well. Two inside, their parents don carry them go America be UK. E no good wetin dem dey do. So wetin Nigerians dey do sometimes, the thing dey shocktalize me. I dey watch that man, I dey cry. I dey cry because e dey very painful to just lost pikin like that. The man say even when he wan even die, the pikin na so he dey cry down. He no wan die oh, he no wan die oh. He dey cry, he body, he no fit even waka. The whole world really like dey sad for this thing wey happen. So the man, I feel e pain wey the man dey cry today. I just feel that man pain. They too do this boy, they too do am. They too do this boy. Wetin you can't just do reach like that? Wetin you can't do reach like that? One can't just do pay the family like this? Which kind of bad children will go dey form court for secondary school for that matter? Bad children. They really say but the house dey spoil children well. This one e just like e dey very painful for wetin they do this family. They cry. I hear wey the man, the way that they ask the man say, what about your wife now? He said they give her sleeping tablets. Say she no fit sleep. So cry every day. They have to say make you see sleep small. How person want to sleep? Say pikin, you just lost your pikin just like that. Pikin. Now your man can't go bury your own pikin. Now no the kind painful thing wey be that one. That family, how they will take reason this thing, how they will take they will fit. I just pray may God give them the wisdom. May God feel calm them. And I think say easy to just lost pikin. And the papa said this boy, they always talk and say if he grow up, he want to be a pilot. So, God. Which kind of bad children be this one? Only God know wetin they give that boy may drink. Only God, now you just know. Only God, now you know. Eh? Who know wetin they give the boy may drink? Who know? Who know wetin they give this boy? God. 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 Ah, they painful for this, for the way this boy take me oh. He pay me not be small. He pay me not be small. The way this boy just stay good, just like that, eh? It dey very, very painful, eh? Very, very painful. The whole world. Ah. Now so John Davis so take happen. Now so it take happen wey be say the boy after everything the boy sick meme. No, the boy not come meme. Na be that one oh. Say thank God say that boy not meme. Now first I can't even the say be like say they don't catch the children wey do that thing. This one again, and they don't want to bring the boys come out. And I like what the government of that Lagos do. He said, make them not open the school. That school must be closed or thin. They find that what to kill this boy. What they give this boy may drink. Until those children come out. Because more are still coming. Even one girl, even can write Tonto Dike, say, they do this kind of thing to your brother. They don't see who fight for them because they're poor. They don't see who fight for them. Eh? They don't see who fight for them because they're poor. Now you Tonto Dike because they go take up the case. Where for Apple say Abuja, they now Tonto Dike say Abuja where he dey. He go take up the case, man, no worry. Eh? This investor, nobody go rest until they fight justice for this family. That boy not feel just good like that. Lie. That boy not feel good like that. No. Until they find justice, the family is crying. He's crying. Don't say easy to lose pikin like that. Fine boy like that. May so rest in perfect peace. Just to dey pay for my darling people. I'm gonna put the video where Papa they talk. I'm gonna make sure the video. Bye everybody. Bye.
I saw your press statement. You are not telling the people the truth. I sent that text when the boy said, Madam, you have children. Please, I need thorough investigation. You too, you have children. So when the woman told me, why did I send those pictures to the public? I told you, Madam, you issued a statement that my boy, as a result of football injury, I have to say, if football can cause damage somebody's mouth, damage somebody's body like this, make somebody to be shouting all over his body, I think Nigeria should know that. Look at the situation the boy passed through. When he was about to give up, he cried and said, I don't want to die. He started crying. Even when there was cutting wound in his nose, but he went to tears when she dropped it from his eyes.